So today I'll share with you 10 best Android apps that you can play in your device for free. Some of these games in the list are also available in the iOS too. So let's start the video. So first game is World War Heroes. So the context of this game is related to the World War I. In this game we can play both multiplayer and deathmatching. After installing the game would ask to download extra 2 to 3 GB file to further continue. This game is similar to Call of Duty. So if you guys love Call of Duty game, you will definitely love this game too. The players you get in this game are all real ones and you will not find any bots around. The graphics and the game physics of this game is overall very much outstanding. The infrastructure and the environment of the game will actually give you a close to feel experience of how World War I was. Now the second game is Battle Prime. So it's actually a powerful game and so you should have a heavy device to handle this game. When I tried this game in OnePlus 12R, the game showed some shuttering issues, but when I tried this game on my OnePlus Open, the game was very smooth. And also when I tried this game in Samsung S20 Ultra, the game again was pretty much smooth. So if you are having a high-end device, then only try this game, otherwise not. The game graphics, the story mode, the shooting responses and the overall animation and effects of this game are pretty much excellent. This is a third-person game and this game is somewhat similar to PUBG. So here in this game there would be two teams, one allies and enemies. One would be the red team and one would be the blue team, and there would be a fight between the two teams. So this game is pretty much competitive to play, but once you get used to this game, it will feel very easy to you. The standout feature of this game is that this game is NVIDIA graphics supported. So if you're a graphic-centric gamer, you will definitely gonna love this game. So now I introduce you one lighter game. So the name of the game is Strange Hill. So this game is all about a kid who keeps on running on a levitating mountain, and also there would be various checkpoints and tasks that you have to complete, such as searching some gems or catching a rabbit and using his abilities to get into a portal like that. So it's a different game, different plot. So this game will definitely give you a new gaming experience, so do check out. Now the fourth one is Turbo Tornado. So if you have played games like GTA 5 or NFS series, this game is somewhat similar to these two. So basically in this game we have to do free roam. We'll get a car for that. So using that car we have to do the free roam. We would also have a phone. In that phone different tasks will be mentioned and we have to complete those tasks using the car. And if our task is completed, we'll get reward or money which we can use to upgrade our car. Now next game is Kart Rider Drift. So it's a kart racing game. The dynamics of this game is pretty much good. In this game we can customize our characters. When we will be racing in this game, we'll see a lot of bubbles. So when we catch these bubbles, we'll get some abilities, some powers, and using these powers, using these abilities, you have to win the game. Now the next game in our row is Crash of Cars. So Crash of Cars is an online multiplayer game. So the plot of the game is there would be a ground. So inside the ground a lot of cars will be present of different sizes and shapes, and the game is all about the fight between those cars. And in that ground between the fight, many boxes will pop in. So we have to hit those bubbles to get some powerful weapons. So basically survival game, so the car that lasts till the end wins the game. Now the next game is Zumba. So it's similar to Crash of Cars but is less aggressive. So in this game we are a fox in a ground and there would be some enemies around to whom we have to fight. The principle of this game is similar to Crash of Cars, so I'm not explaining it again. This is a cuter version of it. The next game is Tofu Rider. So we can play this game vertically in our phone. So in this game we have to use our car and take some orders and deliver those orders to a certain distance using our car. This is actually a small task, but the bigger task is controlling our car through that journey, because the road is actually a zigzag road. So the only way to control the car is to drift the car based on the road's direction. So this game will definitely test your nerves, so do check it out. Our second last game is Vortex 9. So this is again a deathmatch battle royale game, but if you want to assess the battle royale of this game, you have to first play the death matches, then you have to unlock 3 gaming modes, and only after that you can access the battle royale of this game. The character of this game are animated ones. It's a bit a cartoonish type game, so this game would be apt for the kids. The last game of the series is War Machine. So it's actually a shooting game between different tanks. Again, it's a survival game. So if you love tank shooting games, you can definitely try this one. So that's it all about today's game series video, and I hope you will definitely try all of this. At least you will try 2 to 3, and the link to all of these games will be provided in the description below. So that's it. Goodbye.